Hi peeps, good day. Okay, let me see what is this actually. Okay, anyone I wanna guess? This is actually a battery holder. Okay, good for 8 pieces of battery, printed with my 3D printer. As you can see, this is the AAA battery. Okay, you can just feed it. Good for organizing your battery and so. And I've printed all this with rainbow PLA. Okay, so there's lots of vibrant color randomly. So okay, printed a few pieces of this. And okay, what I can say is quite nice and trendy, and you can see fits well. Organize your battery, and if you want to place an order, just direct message me and we'll try to uh, deliver to you. Okay, happy 3D printing from ASDF Net Trade. Cheers.